Hi, I'm Freek and welcome to Hable. Here we make assistive technology for people who are blind to help you use the smartphone in a better way. Come on in.
Our solution was designed to help people with visual impairment in typing and texting on the phone.
So this device is a portable keyboard that's the size of a phone and it fits right in your pocket. It looks a little bit like a game controller. It has 8 tactile buttons that work with the Braille code. However, you don't actually need to know any Braille to use this device. We have many users who told us that within 3 hours they were able to work with the Hable One.
And using the Hable One is very simple. You get the Hable in the box, and once you get it, you switch on the slider, you pair it with your phone, and you're ready to use it. In just 15 minutes, you have the Hable up and running.
And you can now use your smartphone or tablet from anywhere. And you know what's amazing? You can even use the Hable in public spaces. You don't have to hold your phone at all anymore. Just use earplugs and the Hable One, and even at a train station, you can access passwords or your banking.
And no, we're never alone. We've dedicated videos, guides and manuals to help you master the device. If you run into any issues, a 30-minute call with our dedicated trainer will help you on your way.
And if I had to list down the reasons for you to use the Hable One, first, you'll be able to use your smartphone much better. Second, you will be able to use Braille and learn Braille on the phone. And third, you will be able to connect with all the friends and family with all the privacy that we can provide to you.
And we are so proud to have a solution that's being used by thousands of people around the globe every day.
And our community is just growing. We would like to invite you to your community of digital navigators who are always in control.
Hable, always in control.